tornado right now. Wow.
Look at it, the water's dripping off the...
So the storm blew over our electrical pole. Almost landed on those people's car.
Wow. What's that car?
Oh!
Oh my God.
All right.
Take that book away from me.
Oh,
Now the whole street just went out. You can make it, little buddy. You can make it. Oh, uh-oh. There he goes. He's swimming. Where'd he go? Oh, he wrapped around that tree. Oh, there he goes. Make it, little buddy. Oh, he made it to right there. So we had to stop and look. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It toppled all of them. This is just one set that's toppled. There's another over there. Look at the size of that root. This whole thing. It would take an excavator like probably 10 minutes to dig this out. That it happened in 1 second. Landed on this one. Knocked that one down.
it's like dominoes.
Ripped this one out of the ground. Oh. We had to stop and look. Look at this.
Oh, man.
It ripped this whole tree out, toppled into this one, ripped this tree out, toppled into this one, and then there's a tree ripped out over there into the apartments. Oh! This is crazy. This is like... This is like a jungle gym now. This is like a jungle gym. This is tripping out. Yeah, like that was the ground, like the concrete. This was under the ground. This was all under that concrete berm. So I bet you any buck after these all fell, after those fell, they probably had someone come and chop this up because this whole ground. Oh man. Look at the ground. Look, imagine standing here when this ripped out. Oh, dang. That's insane. It looks like a war zone through here. Like this is tornado damage.